yeah, this is my face. This year I'm taking YouTube seriously, publishing contents about Notion. I don't know. And yeah, this is the first video. So I'm switching from my personal second brain 6.0 system to the creator brain. And the reason why is, as you can see, we are starting YouTube. So I need a system that has a content planner and all the organization system. So yeah, today I will show you how, or let's say just the process of switching, and so we show you also the templates, things, how it works. Let's get started. Now, as you can see, this is the second brain 6.0 version. This is the public version, not my personal one, because my personal one has some personal data. So I'm not, I'm not going to share it. So the problem with my second brain 6.0 is I don't have social media manager or content planner, because this template is more for, entrepreneur, business owner. It's away from content creation, or you want to organize your life, your personal life, or a student. So I'm going to switch now to the Creator Brain 4.0. So this is the Creator Brain. It has social media, content planner, affiliates, sponsorships, and a lot of things. But also the beautiful thing here is I can also organize my personal life. So I have my habits, my projects, my goals. It's whether I can relate them to directly to content creation, or I can keep them separately. And I can like relate them to, as you can see here, we have life area. So I have content creation, family, business, study, relationship, whatever. So the templates can run your personal life, but also content creation. So yeah, that's the templates I'm going to use. Let me just duplicate it so I can show you how I'm going to start using it. So yeah, here is the template. Let me just rename it to like OS Creator Brain, something like that. Remove the stuff here. And yeah, let me show you how I'm going to set it up. So I'm not going through all the things, but just the necessary ones. So first of all, I'm going to the habits war, and I'm going to set up my personal, or before even that, I should remove some data. So let me just go to the migration page where I have all my databases. I would go like, let me see if there's some examples need to be deleted, some profiles, for example. Okay, I will keep this profile here. Life area, I don't need the study one, so I'm just going to remove it. If there's some books, content, let me just delete all the stuff that I don't need. Okay, now it's all perfect. I've deleted everything. And let's start with the habits war. So I'm just going to set 2 habits quickly. Let me edit this one. So let's say 10K steps, and I will change the cover later on. So I'm going to change this one. I usually get my covers from flat icon. So yeah, you can get them from there too. So I have these habits. Then also I will keep journaling, and then I will do no, not morning sunlight, reading, and that's it for now. I'm going to create 10K steps for now, also journaling and reading for now. Um, those habits will be created automatically tomorrow, and after all, those habits will be created automatically from tomorrow, and I just have to create them right now. Okay, because here we have recurring pages, so it repeats every single day. For bad habits, I'm just going to keep this one as a secret. So here I can see my daily progress, so I can see the habits that are completed and my discipline level. So my discipline level is calculated based from the day one I started doing my habits until, it just keeps running. So for example, let's say currently I didn't do any good or bad habits. So if I complete like all my today habits, it will show me 100% in the discipline. But for tomorrow, if I missed like 2 habits and I did a bad habit, then it will go back to 15%, something like that. So the discipline level, it will not be always 100%, because it's impossible. Like you can't perfect, like you can't be perfect and do your habits every single day. But the one lesson I've learned is don't ever miss 3 habits in a row, because that's a start of a new habit. So anyways, and for example, if we did a bad habit, let's say 5 hours screen time, and I said lost this battle, as you can see here, we have 66 in today progress. Anyway, so that's how I'm going to set my habits. For task projects, I didn't set my goals for this year yet. I will do that later. But for example, let's just go and set a goal for this year. So let's say reach 10K subscriber on YouTube. So the life area obviously is content creation. Start quarter, I'm going to start from Q1. Start dates, let's set it as today. And end dates, we have until December 31, or okay, let's skip the barrier low for now. Let's just set it Thus, we have an entire year to reach this goal. And then I can break down this goal into small milestones. So let's say, first of all, let's just create or publish 30 videos, like for example. So publish 13 videos, or let's say 13 valuable videos. Then I can add more details, like the status currently is in progress. So let's say this is the first video started, and I can add start dates, etc., all the other stuff. And then I can also break this milestone into small projects, like video one, like for example, this video, which is could be switching to creator brain. Usually videos, I don't set them as projects, but most as tasks, but I'm just showing this example. So let's say critical, which is something I need to work on it right now. Start date today, end dates. Okay, let's say I'm going to finish recording today and edit it tomorrow. Project state is in progress, and yeah, so on. Let's say we have tasks like record video and with the due date of today. Then let's say the script with due date of today's too. I've already done this one. So we are currently recording the video, so it's currently doing. And then let's say edit the video and then publish. Oh, okay, let's say publish tomorrow and edit also tomorrow. Now what I can do is when creating tasks for like video editing and for a content video, I can go and create a content. So I'm going to open it, say YouTube video, and it will be switching to creator brain template. I will set the account always automatically as always Notion for all the type of templates I have, because currently I have only one account, so it's always Notion. I'm not publishing another account. Publish date, I will make it tomorrow, and I can add more stuff. So let's say currently now is filming, and then I can relate it to edit the video, publish, record, all those stuff. So, and if I go to tasks here, I can see them. So this is the tasks related to this content. Or I can create first the contents, then go to tasks and create them. So that's why I'm switching to the creator brain. There's a lot of stuff here. As you can see, we have profiles. So let me explain profiles. So for example, if you have two accounts on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, then you can like when you organize your content, you know which account you are going to post this content on. We have content planner dashboard here. So here I can organize all my type of content. I can also do it from the main dashboard, but just here you can see more details. So I can see all my content in progress. For example, this one, this month, ideas that are not content yet. And yeah, I just can see them in more organized way. We have sponsorships and affiliates. Currently, I don't have any sponsors, but I have some affiliates link. I have Notion affiliates and I have Framer affiliate. So those, I'm going to set up those later. So for Framer, for example, we have product price. Now Framer has subscriptions. So here, and that's why I'm switching to the creator brain also, because I want to test it more, because I didn't have the chance to test this more for content creators. And as you can see now, I have this problem. So it's a subscription. So now I need to find an idea to create affiliates for if the affiliate is a type of subscription. For example, Framer, you take 15% if you subscribe to the basic plan, which is $10, I guess. So now you are going to get $5. But what if it's he subscribed to the advanced plan? Then you will get like $20, something like that. So it depends. But let's say we have a product, for example, and it costs $10 and your commission is 15%. And let's say you got 3 sales. As you can see here, you have your commission. And the beautiful thing about this template here is anything you earn. So anything you earn from affiliates or sponsorships, it goes directly to the finance brain. So here I can go to my finance profile, for example, and I can go to affiliates. And as you can see, all-time affiliates, we have $15. But I guess there's new version of this template should come soon, because now I have the chance to try it and I can build something really, really will be useful for content creators. It's actually now it's so good, it's great, but I think now I will have the chance to test it more and build something really automated and will really organize any content creator life. As you can see here in the main dashboard, I can see my daily tasks categorized here. We have to do and doing. So for example, once this one is done, it's now in the done state here. And by the way, if I add time, for example, let's say recording this video I will start on, I don't know. I did start at 3 p.m. I guess. No, 2:40. So it took me 38 minutes to finish this task. Obviously, we're still recording, so that's not real. Then I can plan my tomorrow tasks, as you can see. Here I have my daily status. So here I can see the completed tasks, the published contents, and the habits I've completed for today, and the overall progress that's based on all the three, but also, I guess, journaling. So also if I did journaling, as you can see here, 100%, and I can add a reward. So for example, let's say if I finished all today tasks, I can, I don't know, hang out with my friends. It says like you earned it because I finished my tasks, I finished my habits. So yeah, that's a way to get motivated and finished all your daily tasks. Here I can see my daily inbox, so I can see the good, the bad habits I need to do, journaling, recent notes I captured or resources related to content or my personal life, whatever. And here we have the assets maybe I will need for editing videos or something like that that I just captured today or yesterday. And here we have the platforms. So for example, if you went to YouTube here, I can see this week content. So tomorrow I'm going to publish this YouTube video. And then we have other platforms. Probably I'm going to remove like Facebook. I don't need Facebook, so I'm just going to delete this one. I do post on Pinterest. Not quite sure if I'm going to post on TikTok, on Instagram for now. Probably just keep them. And then I can see also this month finance summary. Currently, I didn't add any income, any expenses, taxes, or anything. And by the way, I'm going to share a video on how I'm going to automate this monthly finance brain to automatically pulls the expenses, the income related to this specific month, for example, December 2025, without relating the income or expenses directly to the month page. That would be so cool. And I'm going to publish a video about that soon. Here we have review section. So I can here see the content idea I need to review. For example, let's say, so I had a content idea. So let me just add new content and let me add idea. How to relate databases without relation property. For example, so let's say I want to review this idea. So the published date become the review date. Let's say I want to review it after 3 days. But just to show it so we can see it in the review section, let's say the review date was yesterday, but I didn't review it. So as you can see here, it will the system will pull it here in the review section, and it's overdue by 1 day. Once I see it here, I can review it, then decide if I want to switch it to a content or keep it an idea. If I want to decide to switch it to a content, for example, a YouTube video, I'm going to click on YouTube video. And now I'm going to switch from an idea to now planning, for example. I want to start working on this content, for example, 28th Sunday, for example. So now it's an upcoming content. I can also see notes need to be reviewed, resources or books, and also the active sponsors right now. We have this week section here. I can see my tasks of this week, the content, good habit, bad habits, income, expenses, etc. And in progress section, which is the goals, the milestones, the projects I'm currently working on. For example, if we went back to the goal we just set earlier and I make it right now, let's say we are in progress because we are really in progress. Now it will be here in the progress section. Now we need to fix this bug actually, which is this progress bar. Because now what you have to do to fix it is go to here to layout and uncheck wrap all content. And this bug is just killing me. Like it's been a month and they didn't fix it yet. I don't know why. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the creator brain. We have products manager. Probably I'm not going to use it. So here I can manage my products, my sales of stuff like templates, whatever. But probably I'm going to delete it. Also, I'm going to delete like those dashboards. I don't really use them. Some people love them. For example, here we have the creator dashboard. So here you can see only the stuff related to content creation, from tasks, notes, goals, projects. Nothing in your personal life will be here. So that's what I call as the creator dashboard. And here we have the live dashboard, which is the inverse of that. So here everything related to your personal life, from tasks, notes, everything, goals, will be here. And things that are related to content will not be here. So yeah, that's my creator brain. There's a lot of stuff in this template. I will share them. I will share them in other days. And now we have one problem. So currently I'm building game mode V3. And so people who knows my second brain system, they knows also that you can turn this system into a gamified planner. But now I'm building the new version of game mode and I have to test it. And let me show you this new version. So currently it's in progress, so it's not finished yet. So here's the game mode v3. There's a bunch of new stuff. We have skills in the character. Now there's some skills and you have to earn some tokens to level up each skill, and each skill require different number of tokens, and the only way to earn those tokens or collectibles is from doing challenges. Now we have more than 17 challenge, and also we have new titles. So every titles now you achieve or earn, and it depends. So for example, in the action taker or momentum builder, it depends on 3 level of planning and 4 level of consistency, or that's how much it left to earn it, sorry, to get this title. And once you get it, the XP level, or let's say the character progress level, will boost by, would be multiplied now by 1.5, for example. I'm not quite sure about the numbers, but that's how it works. We have also now the store where you can buy XP and coins using games, for example. It used to be another coins or another token, which is keys, but now I had like difference for keys, and the templates are really slow with huge formulas and logic. And here's the thing, I'm going to share this template, or I'm going to give it to one of you guys to test it out. So just comment that's if someone watched this video. I don't know. Just comments below that you want to test this. But here's the thing: you need at least 16 gigabytes of RAM or more. So yeah, that's the problem I have. Is now I need to build the game mode for the creator brain to test it, and that will take times too. We will see how things will go. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know, guys, what types of video you want to see in the future, like building stuff, building templates, how to do stuff, tips and tricks, whatever. Just let me know. I would be happy to share that with you. See you soon.